Boumi is a Farsi word. It means indigenous, and it's a business and it's a social entrepreneurship. The goal is to create jobs. We started 4 years ago with a very small operation. We had 3 people working, and then it moved to 7 people. And we were basically experimenting, looking for fabric and to see what is it that we should be making here in Afghanistan. Basically, we wanted to introduce Afghanistan to the international market with very high quality product. So finally, we found cotton that's still produced in Afghanistan. Out of all the textile factories that we had in Afghanistan, one is still operating in the north in Babylon, which makes this this cotton, and it's good enough to do what we're doing right now. We are also sourcing for silk and hoping to upgrade our the quality and design of our products with silk products. So it's basically all Afghan. You know, the material is Afghan, it's made by the Afghan, and it's designed by the Afghans. I do most of the designs myself right now, but we're now looking into putting together a design department here as well as a marketing department. The product was designed for export. We have a showroom here in town, mainly for the internationals. The sales is pretty good actually, and we've just started exporting to Doha. We are looking for representatives in Europe as well as in the US, in Japan too, and we've sent samples to Japan, Rome, Australia, London, Paris, New York. In fact, we went to the New York trade show 2 years ago. I just wanted to see the reaction of the people, and people really liked it. There's nothing in the international market with this quality of such product from Afghanistan. The only thing people know in the international market from Afghanistan is carpet. Afghan carpet and Afghan dried fruit are of course famous. So we're also trying to create jobs in the villages by producing the hand embroidery pieces that we use for the cushions. So we've just started it. It's as a pilot project in Bach province. We've sent some packages to the villages. So what happens is that the women, the whole family is involved basically. We will provide them with literacy as well as very basic accounting and inventory for the men. So the women will be making the hand embroidery pieces, and the men will also be involved in the whole process, bringing the product to the centers and then taking orders. So hopefully we can by doing this we can make a difference and to provide jobs for young men as well, because they are really becoming the target for the extremists to recruit, because they don't have jobs, they don't have any hope, they don't have any purpose in life. So of course they can recruit them, they give them some money, they will give them a purpose, an ideology, right or wrong, but that's what we all look for. So I think that if we can provide them with some jobs and give them some hope, then hopefully we will prevent them from doing materials. Well, people here have suffered enough now for the past 25 years, and I was trying to create a nice environment or maybe a model business for others to come and see what are the possibilities. So yes, they are very spoiled. They have a car that brings them here. We give them breakfast, lunch, and if they get sick, of course we take care of them. We pay for their doctors, and I'm hoping that we will generate enough profit to be able to give them a share of the profit. So hopefully the goal is to give them, to divide 10% of the profit with the workers. They also feel like this is their own. I mean, most of the workers that you see here, they've been working with us for the past 4 years now. We have 64 people working, but we are hoping to hire at least another 250 people here, as well as expanding to produce in the provinces. Because there's just a lot of needs, aside from the designs of Boumi, what we are doing for export, there are a lot of needs here in Afghanistan domestically. They're importing everything right now. If the hotels open, they're importing all the sheets and the beddings and everything, and towels. So I'm hoping that we will be able to produce all of that and create more jobs for people.